All right, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing and testing the Affresh Dishwasher Cleaner. Right here, I have Affresh Dishwasher Cleaner tablets in here. The instructions come on the back of it. You can actually wash your dishwasher with dishes or without dishes. Without dishes, you just place one tablet in the detergent tray, which I'm going to do shortly, and then wash with the normal wash. Now, with dishes, you place one tablet on the bottom of the dishwasher, like within the dishwasher and on the dishwasher floor, and then you place the detergent in the detergent tray. So I'm going to do it without dishes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And there are packets in here. All right, so there's several packets in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm going to open it up to show you the tablet right here. So here's the tablet, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and place this in my dishwasher. So it's in here. Now, without dishes, I'm going to go ahead and place this in the compartment right here. Close it. All right. So I put it in there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to turn it on. And I'm just going to select the normal wash. And then I'm going to start it just like that. Oh, it didn't start. Let me go to start. Just like that. All right, so let's take a look at it. It is completed, and we're going to open it up, and it smells fresh, smells nice, everything clean, no calcium deposits left on the side or anything like that. Smells really good. I really like the product. That's fresh. All right. Thanks a lot for watching.